Hey, 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 good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, today I'm going to sit there and show you how to make that salsa mix, or what y'all would sit there and call your copycat recipe for Mrs. Wage's salsa mix. And we're gonna sit there and make it into a salsa, and then we're gonna sit there and make it into some delicious nachos. So be sure to grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen so we can get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. That's right. We're gonna sit there and turn that salsa mix that I showed you all how to pre-mix up and have out on a jar, and just sit there and simply open a can of these Rotel tomatoes, and we're gonna get a delicious salsa out of it, just as you see there. And then we're gonna sit there and turn it into some nachos. Okay, good looking. I know that you really want to sit there and see how this salsa mix mixed with the Rotel tomatoes is going to make salsa. So I'm going to sit there and show you exactly how we do it. Go ahead, get yourself out a bowl. Now, like I said, you're going to need a can of Rotel tomatoes. You don't have to get the brand name. You can go out and buy store brand. I'm gonna sit there and open up the store brand because it has a pull top on it, and it's gonna be real fast and easy for the video here. Now we're gonna dump all the contents of the Rotel tomatoes inside here. We're gonna sit there and grab our salsa mix. Let's go ahead, take our cover off, and now you're gonna want 2 tablespoons let's put that back over here. Now we're gonna sit there and let all the seasoning and all the spices bring the party to the bowl here, and we're gonna let the onion rehydrate, the garlic rehydrate, all them seasonings and the peppers. We're gonna let that all rehydrate. Now, the little bit of a secret is the little bit longer that you let this sit. I usually let it sit for like an hour or so, but if you want it to sit a little bit longer, it does get better with some time. Just so you know, you could make this in the morning and come back and enjoy it in the evening. And there you go, that's how easy it is. Now, I just want to sit there and show you. There is juice inside here. Now, when everything rehydrates, it's going to take away all that loosey-goosey is what I like to call it. I don't like my salsa to be wet like that. I like going in and being able to dip like that. It's good already. But like I say, wait. Look at all that goodness. I have to do this video fast because the salsa's not lasting long around here. The guys, in fact, found out I went ahead and I made some. They came in here and they've been snitching, and I just wanted to sit there and show you. You can take the salsa one step further. Now, I have some of the canned cheese that I do put up from a number 10 can. Now, I'm going to be putting up another canning video, and I'm going to be bringing you along and showing you how I do can up number 10 cans of the cheese that we're going to sit there and now make into nachos. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my very last can of cheese. Okay, I opened it all the way up, and now, just so you can sit there and see, that's what my cheese looks like after opening it all up. Now, I'm going to go and grab the tripod and put the camera back on, so it's easier for me to show you how to sit there and make some nachos for yourself, just in case you want to. Okay, let me grab a bowl. I have myself a bowl here. Now, I'm gonna sit there and grab some of the salsa, put it in the bowl here. I'm gonna grab some of my nacho cheese that I canned up, and I'm simply just gonna mix the two. So let's go ahead and give this all a good mix. Oh my goodness. Now, if you want this warmed up, go ahead. Give it to Chef Mike. I'm pretty sure Chef Mike will be more than happy to warm it up for you. Otherwise, you can just sit there and take a chip. You dip, I dip, we all dip. I want a little bit of everything I might. There we go. Oh yeah. Now it's great when you're making your own nachos. You can make it as cheesy as you want. You can put as little or as much of the salsa as you want. You can make as much as you want. I mean, right now it's just gonna be me and my husband snacking, and that's more than enough for a snack for both of us. And most of the time we just go in and dip. That's how easy it is to sit there and make a few little dips with one little salsa mix. Now, I also have a few other meals and snacks and such that I take these a few steps further, but I wanted to make a quick video, and I just wanted to show you how to use up that salsa mix. So, if you liked my copycat of Mrs. Wage's salsa mix, and it's all in a beautiful, nice little jar that you can leave sitting up on your countertop or on your pantry shelves, You mix it with some Rotel diced tomatoes, and you get a beautiful salsa out of it, just as is. You can sit there and take it one step further by grabbing some of your cheese sauce, or using some cheese sauce that you would buy from the store shelf, mixing the cheese sauce along with the salsa. You would sit there and get some nacho dip, and if you wanted to sit there and take it one step further to make it nachos grande, you could sit there and add some ground beef to that, and you would have nacho grande. So here's to happy eating, but better yet, happy cooking. Y'all come back now, you hear? Well, that's what I'm talking about.